Hi guys, it's Marianne the Frugal Chef. I hope you're well. Today we are gonna make these incredible, delicious Baja fish tacos. I am using my flax tortilla. I will put a link to this at the end of the video if you wanna see it. You can make these in any tortilla you want. Obviously, if you wanna keep this low carb, you have to use a low carb tortilla. Before we do anything, if you could subscribe, please, I'd really appreciate it. Turn on the notification button so you don't miss out on anything, and let's make it. So I'm heating half a cup of apple cider vinegar. It's raw and organic, that's why you see the murky stuff in there. Use any kind of apple cider vinegar that you can find, okay? We're gonna put a teaspoon of sweetener in this. I'm using monk fruit. You can use whatever sweetener you want. Just gonna mix that in there. We want the sugar to dissolve. And we're gonna pour the vinegar over some sliced red onion. This is half of a small one. We're just gonna let that onion pickle in there while we get everything else ready. We're gonna make a little slaw for our tacos. So I'm gonna finely slice a little piece of cabbage, 2 radishes, and a small cucumber, okay? We just want our tacos to have a little crunch. We're gonna slice the cucumber like this in little thicker sticks, like julienne. I will slice these thinly and round. That's gonna look really pretty inside our taco. I'm gonna pour a little bit of jalapeno juice in here. If you don't have jalapenos, please don't worry about it. Some salt. Lime juice. That was half a lime. You can add cilantro to this if you want. I'm gonna leave it like this. So we're gonna make a little sauce for our tacos. So we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of mayo here, 2 tablespoons of sour cream, I'm gonna add salt, a little bit of lime zest. Not much, about a 1/4 teaspoon of cumin. Let's put a little pepper in there. Mix. I'm gonna squeeze about a tablespoon of lime juice in there. I have 2 pieces of Barramundi here, and you can use any kind of fleshy white fish that you want. Tilapia, catfish, basa, red sole, whatever you want. Mahi-mahi if you want to get super fancy. I picked these up at Costco and they're nice and mild, and that's what I'm going to use. We're going to zest some lime on it. I'm going to squeeze half a lime. Salt. You can use white pepper if you want. I hate it. I'm gonna put some black pepper on here. And that's it, guys. We're gonna let this just get to room temperature and we'll cook it. You're going to notice a change in light here, and it's because this little piece of the video, I don't know, it never made it. So when I was editing this for you, well, I was missing the part where I cooked the fish. So it's a little bit of a redo, and it's in the morning when the sun is pouring into the kitchen. So I'm gonna heat a little bit of oil in this pan. I guess I should say good morning to you guys. Well, good morning. I'm gonna place the fish seasoned side down. And we'll season the other side. So some salt, a little bit of pepper, lime zest of the half of the lime that we had left over. And a little bit of juice. This piece of fish is so flavorful and so delicate and so just wonderful. You could just eat it like that with a salad. Delicious. That thin little piece is ready. I'm just going to remove it to a plate. That, my friends, is about it. So now we'll continue with the older footage and we'll finish our tacos. We're going to heat our tortillas on a dry skillet. These are my flaxseed tortillas. Obviously, you can use whatever tortilla you want. They're cooked already, so all we're looking for is just to heat them through. The tortillas are camouflaged on the board, you can't see them. So I'm gonna spread some of that crema. Gonna add pieces of that fish. Oh my gosh, this is so flaky and delicious. I'm gonna put some of that slaw on top. Little bit of our pickled onion. And this is optional, but I'm putting some serrano peppers on here. That is a very good looking fish taco, guys. Let's taste this. I am so happy right now. With the flavors in this taco, you're not gonna taste any nuttiness or anything in your tortilla, I can promise you. Oh my gosh, that is loaded in flavor. That fish is flaky, it's soft, it's beautiful, and it has that layer of lemon and salt on it. Then of course we have the cabbage and the radish, and that pickled onion gives it a little sweet. Plus the serrano. Oh my gosh, guys, this is a great taco, and I hope you give it a try. Thanks for watching.